Radhe Govind Govind Bol, Radhe Radhe Govind Bol,
Radhe Govind Govind Bol, Radhe Radhe Govind Bol,
Radhe Govind Govind Bol, Radhe Radhe Govind Bol. Everyone, let's all clap along.
Radhe Radhe Govind Bol,
Radhe Govind Govind Bol, Radhe Radhe Govind Bol.
Radhe Govind Govind Bol, Radhe Radhe Govind Bol.
Tero Radhe Govind Pran,
Tero Radhe Govind Pran,
As kah puni puni sab shruti Puran.
As kah puni puni sab shruti Puran.
मन गांठ
Radhe
मन गांठ कपट की खोल, राधे राधे गोविंद बोल।
मन गांठ कपट की खोल, राधे राधे गोविंद बोल।
राधे गोविंद गोविंद बोल, राधे राधे गोविंद बोल। Let's clap along.
गोविंद गोविंद बोल, राधे राधे गोविंद बोल।
नामी अरु नाम समान मान,
नामी अनुनाम समान मान।
दोन महदोन वास जान।
दोन महदोन वास जान।
यह हीरा
राधे
यह हीरा जान अनमोल, राधे राधे गोविंद बोल।
यह हीरा जान अनमोल, राधे राधे गोविंद बोल।
So then somebody can ask, all right, I need to attach, I need to worship God, but what will happen just by taking His name? Is that not like a Sheikh Chilli? You know, the story of Sheikh Chilli is very famous in North India. He got some sattu. Sattu is the ground chana powder. So he got sattu in a plastic bag and he hung it from the wall above his bed and lay down on his bed and started thinking, I've got some sattu. I will go in the evening and sell it in the market and I'll earn a profit. Then I'll purchase more sattu and then I'll make more profit. And one day I'll have a thela, cart of sattu. And then my business will start roaring. So I'll open a shop and then I'll make even more profits. And the consequence, then one day when I'm rich enough, I'll get married. And then we will have some children. And the children will be so nice. And I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. And I'll put one in this school and some in that school. I'll take one to the Kumon class and I'll take one for chess, etc., etc. So Sheikh Chilli had some of the aspirations that the Indian American parents also have. Only it was all in his mind. So he was in a divine reverie or in a reverie within his mind about all the things he's going to do as a consequence of the sattu that he's got. But then that reverie of his went a little out of control. He said one child I will ask the child that you need to study, and the child will say, Papa, I don't want to study. And I'll say, no, beta, you have to study. And the child will say, no, Papa. And then I'll kick the child. And he kicked the sattu that was out there. So his whole dream collapsed. That is why people say if you keep on dreaming like a sheikh, a chilli, it's not going to result in actual consequences in your life. So just saying Radhe Govind, how is it going to help? Now Kripaluji Maharaj provides the knowledge. He says the name of God is non-different from him. The name of God is Chinmay. Nam Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Shuddho Nityamukto Bhinnatvat Namanamino. So you can say water, 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 but it will not quench your thirst, because the name water and the object water are different. In the case of Bhagavan, that difference doesn't exist. He is sitting in his name with all his powers, which means in the Ram Naam, Ram is present along with his Shaktis. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Naam Naam Akari Bahudha Nija Sarva Shaktis Tatrarpita Niyamitaha Smaranena Kala. Oh Shri Krishna, you are so kind that you have placed yourself in your name, and you have not kept any rules for taking the names. See, if you wish to do a Havan, there are 6 rules to be followed. Desh, Kal, Padarth, Karta, Mantra, Karm. You have to be very particular. What is the place where you're doing it? What is the time? What is the dravya? What are the mantras that you are using? But in the case of chanting the name of God, na desha niyamastasmin na kala niyamastatha. You can take it whenever and wherever you wish. Hanumanji made this mistake once. One Ram Bhakt had practiced so much of Ram Naam that when he would go to the restroom, there also he would keep saying Ram, 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 Ram. Hanumanji happened to pass by and heard him. So when the person came out, Hanumanji said, look, the name of God is all pure. You should not take it in an impure place. So he said, all right, Pavanasutta, I will not. But his habit was so deep, he could not control himself. So from his mouth again the Ram, 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 Ram would come. When he came out this time from the restroom, Hanumanji was waiting, and Hanumanji slapped him. You have insulted Ram by taking his name in the restroom. The poor guy was shocked. But when Hanumanji went to meet Ram, he saw that Ram's cheek was swollen. Hanuman said, Prabhu, what happened to your face? Ram said, my devotee was taking my name with so much of love when you slapped him, so it fell on me. Hanuman realized his folly. Ram explained to him, Samarath kahu nahi dosh gosai, Ravi pavak surasari ki nai. When the sunlight falls on a puddle of impure water, the sun doesn't become impure, the water gets purified. Agni is sarvabhuk, all pure. You put impurities in Agni, the fire doesn't become impure, it purifies whatever you have put in it. Gangaji is surasari. So many dirty drains merge into the Ganga. But the Ganga doesn't become a dirty drain. It still remains pure. Likewise, the name of God is all pure. It will never get tainted. Wherever you take the name, that place will get purified. So this name of God is so precious. Supposing it was announced that at midnight Ram and Sita will give you Pratyaksh Darshan in the Radha Krishna temple. Whoever wants, come. And the news goes around viral in WhatsApp. I think all the streets of San Jose will get jammed. Just like in the year 1995, a rumor spread that Ganeshji is drinking milk in the temples. So even those who did not believe there is a God, they said, let's go and check it out. What is the harm? So if the news went around that God will reveal himself, Pratyaksh, everybody would line up. And the same God says, I am sitting in my name. Samujhat saris naam arunami priti paraspar prabhu anugami. Now the question is, if you have faith in this, then you will say the name of God is my biggest treasure. It is such a treasure that Shankar Ji has chosen it. The Ramcharitmanas says, Brahma Ram te naam bad. Ram te naam bad. Ram se bada Ram ka naam. Baddayak Baddani. Ramcharit Shatakoti Maha. Liya Mahesh Ji Ajani. Out of the whole Ramcharit, Shankar Ji picked out the Ram Naam. So this is your treasure. When you believe it is your treasure, you will have love for it and you will take it with faith. Then you will start getting the benefit. Nami arunam saman man.
Nami arunam saman man.
Gun magun vas jaan.
Don mahadon vas jaan.
Nami arunam saman man. Everyone.
Nami arunam saman man.
Gun madun vas jaan.
Don mahadon vas jaan.
यह हीरा यह हीरा जान अनमोल राधे राधे गोविंद बोल
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 राधे गोविंद गोविंद बोल राधे राधे गोविंद बोल
राधे गोविंद गोविंद बोल राधे राधे गोविंद बोल
चिन्मय चेतन है युगल नाम
चिन्मय चेतन है युगल नाम
नहीं काल नियम नहीं नियम धाम
नहीं काल नियम नहीं नियम धाम
पीवु प्रेम
राधे
पीवु प्रेम सुधा रस घोर राधे राधे गोविंद बोल
पीवु प्रेम सुधा रस घोर राधे राधे गोविंद बोल
राधे गोविंद गोविंद बोल राधे राधे गोविंद बोल
राधे गोविंद गोविंद बोल
Why is it that they say that name of God is bigger than God? Because you will benefit more from the name. Ram came, did his leelas, and he's become unmanifest. If you say, I want to meet Ram, Ram says, Nirmal man jan so mohi pava. When your mind is fully pure, I will meet you. So what to do, Prabhu? Ram says, purify your mind. This is where the name of God becomes very handy because it's readily available. That is why Tulsidas says, Ram, ek tapasatiya tari. In his avatar kal, whom did Ram save? One Ahilya, wife of Gautam. But Naam koti khal kumati sudhari. The name has been purifying millions of people since then. People like us, we are also saying Ram, 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 and the mind is getting purified. So because our self-interest gets served by the name, from our perspective, the name becomes even bigger than God. Just like they say that the Guru's position is even more important for the disciple than God. Because that is why Kabir ji said, कि गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए. My work was done through the Guru, so I do my pranam first to the Guru. Likewise, your self-interest will be met by the Naam. Hence the importance of the name. But then we are all saying Ram, Ram. The work is not happening. You know, in the Indian culture, people's names are after God. So if your friend is Ram Gopal and you say, Ram Gopal, now you've taken two names of Bhagwan, Ram plus Gopal. And the Ramayana says, Jasu Naam Sumirat Ikbara, Utarahu Nar Bhava Sindhu Apara. Just take Ram Naam once and you'll cross over the ocean of life and death. And we have taken Ram Naam so many times and we are not crossing over. We are not doing it with love. We have not yet developed faith. We are not doing it with the Mano Yoga. If we actually believed that Ram is sitting in his name, then our longing to take it would be like the longing that Shankarji has got. Shankarji says, Rakaradini namani shrinvato mama Parvati. Oh Parvati, if I hear somebody say Ra, I become exhilarated. He's going to say Ma, Rama. That person may say one after that, Ra, one. But I become thrilled merely on hearing Ra, at the possibility that I may hear the name of Ram. That kind of love is what is required. So don't just take the name, take it with love.